Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news and celebrity gossip. Guys, Gugu Kumete is receiving backlash, ever since she had the surgery at Turkey, lost a lot of weight, looking snatched. She is receiving a lot of backlash. So people are saying, Gucci, no man, she shouldn't have lost the weight because Sana, the face does not match the body now. The face is like the face that she had when she had weight, and now the body is small. So nje people are just saying, "Gucci, this is not communicating." So someone posted this picture and said, Mamlambo looking like a 20-year-old girl. So this is her picture that she took when they were launching the Polygamist Netflix series that is going to be playing. So this is the picture that they took, and then the comments went crazy. Someone said the head is bigger than a body. So people are just saying, this is just not proportional. Like the head is big because really it was, accommodating the body that she had, but now it's not communicating. Like the combos are really not communicating. A lot of people were saying that, and comments were just basically saying that the body is now not proportional. The head is big, the body is small. People were saying, Gucci, she doesn't look like a 20-year-old girl, as the caption was saying. They were saying, Gucci, nje, she looks like a 20-year-old who does not want treatment. So now there are a whole new allegations. Some are saying, Gucci, never, the head is bigger than the body. And people don't understand that when you lose weight, you can't lose weight like in your head, because yes, you can lose the fat, but the body structure is just there. You can't make your head smaller because it's just the structure. It's your bones. Like you can't make your bones smaller. So this backlash, Sana, I'm just hoping that you didn't see this because it's really heartbreaking. And people are commenting, Gucci, oh, before was fine. I'm saying, Gucci, the face is not giving. Someone are saying, Gucci, it's like she is from ICU. People are just saying, Gucci, we need that body back. And like, if she is happy with all of this, then who are we to judge, guys? Who are we to judge? Because it's her body, her rules. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment. Let me know, what do you think of this video? Do you think Mam Lambo slash Gugu Kumete is looking cuter than before? Or I don't know, guys. Do you guys agree with the comments in this post? Thank you so much. I will see you on my next one.